When you get a dental implant, you are making an investment in your dental health for the future. No other tooth replacement option has the ability to last as long. A dental implant is an artificial tooth and root system. It consists of an implant root and crown in the case of a permanent tooth. The implant root is a titanium post with threads like a screw. The implant root is surgically placed in the jawbone. Titanium is a very biocompatible material that will fuse with the bone through a process called osseointegration. What is the survival rate? Is this mini dental implant going to fail in my mouth? Many dozens of studies have been conducted throughout the world over the last 25 years on the success of mini dental implant procedure. A 12-year study done from 2000 to 2012, looking at over 6,000 mini implants, has shown a 97% success rate of the single tooth implant with its supported crown and a 93% success rate for the snap-on overdentures, which is, as you know, quite high. These statistics are similar to the success rates of the old-style traditional implant system and are much simpler and faster to perform. I have been placing mini dental implants for almost 20 years with close to 10,000 placed, and I can tell you, from my experience, they are the future of dental implant. Contact us for a free consultation, and I'll show you what I can do for you.